Once you've made this recipe, you won't want to eat mango any other way. For this recipe, I have 3 sliced mangoes, and I've set aside 1 cut mango. The rest I've put in the food processor. The mango in the processor I've cut into medium-sized pieces, and I'm going to blend it very well so that our dessert is delicious. Our recipe is going to be extremely delicious. That's it. I've blended it very well. Now I'm going to put it all in a bowl. Look at that. Now I'm going to put a carton of condensed milk in with the mango. I'll also add some cream so that our recipe is very creamy. Then I'll take a whisk and beat our mixture until it's smooth. Be sure to make this dessert at home so that your whole family can enjoy this wonderful recipe. Look how the ingredients are already well blended. At this point, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of colorless gelatine that has already been hydrated, and now I'm going to blend everything very well. This recipe is very easy, very practical, and very quick to make. What a treat! Look how creamy it is. Now let's set aside, and I've got a pudding mold here, and I've greased it with a little oil so it's easy to unmold. Now I'm going to add a few pieces of mango cut into this mold so that it covers the entire bottom of the mold. Next, pour the mango cream into the mold. Look at that! Once that's done, I'll give it a gentle stir with the spatula here to mix the mango pieces together. Now put it in the fridge for 2 hours until it sets. After that, let's unmold it. And look how wonderful our dessert turned out. As well as being very tasty, it looks beautiful. You can eat it with your eyes. I always make this dessert here at home. And there's nothing left? I'm going to serve it to you. Look how wonderful it is. This dessert is perfect. It's a wonderful combination of flavors. Everyone here at home loved it. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.